Hello, my name is Talia Jackson, and today I'll be presenting to you a website I created with the help of Professor Liang in my pilot data mining class. All right, now moving on to the website. First thing you're going to see when you go to the website, the biggest thing you're going to see when you come to this website is a picture of inside of the museum, and then it's a small logo at the small box that has the logo inside. If you click the big box, it'll take you to the topic. It'll take you to the multiple topics that I have. On the yellow banner, it says quick pickup. It shows you, first thing it does, it shows you how many topics I have available. I have 8 of them. And if you click it, the drop down, you can click any one of these topics. So I'm going to click textile convention. When you click the drop down, it takes you to where it's at. And then boom, here we go. It's textile convention. If you hit go, it'll take you to the website where the information is at, without having to leave the website wiseCIO. And then at the top right, it's a blue X right here. You click that and it exit you outside that website. Now you're back on the main page. And one of the cool things about this website is that you can change the language on there without having to go to your settings on the computer. So you hit English. We're going to go to this language at the top, right under English. And as you can see now that it's in a different language. So anybody that speaks a different language should now be able to go to this, be able to pick the language that they see or that they know, and read up on whatever the topic is without leaving wiseCIO. And this is just a sample of the wiseCIO website from a student standpoint. There's more to come. And if you click this box, the box come back down. You can reset it and you can start all over. And that is it. Bye.